very powerful anti-aging antioxidant agent. The simple way to explain oxidation is, when you cut an apple, the apple turns brown because of oxidation. Active oxygen or free radicals attack and destroy cells. The same oxidation continually happens in the cells in the human body. We cannot stop oxidation completely, so we cannot stop the aging process. We can only slow it down. You need canned water to supply yourself with this powerful anti-aging antioxidant agent. Otherwise, you will be like this man smiling on the right. How do oxidants enter our body? These free radicals enter our body through the air we breathe. They also enter our body from the food we eat. They also enter our body through what we drink. This oxidation occurs at the cellular level. This is the cell. Inside it is the chromosome, and inside the chromosome is the DNA. When the free radicals attack the DNA, the cells is destroyed. Here is a picture of free radical attacking the DNA molecule. You need antioxidants to combat these attacks in your body. And you need a powerful antioxidant, something that ORP, which means oxidation reduction potential, will measure between minus 300 to minus 400 millivolts. There are many antioxidant nutritional products in the market, like vitamins and fruit juices, but their ORP value is low. In Japan, for a substance to be considered strong enough to be medicinal and can be used in the hospitals, it has to reach between minus 300 to minus 400 ORP. Let me explain that. ORP, or oxidation reduction potential, is the strength measured in millivolts of the antioxidant. The farther it goes on the positive side, the more oxidants or free radicals that substance contain. And the farther it goes on the negative side, the stronger its antioxidant capacity is. This is an ORP tester. You will see that the canned water measures minus 387 millivolts of ORP. You will see that it is all the way to the left of the scale. When you measure tap water, the ORP is positive 330. It's all the way to the right, which means tap water carries with it lots of oxidants into the body. The sunny bottled water measures positive 261 ORP. It's also way up on the far right of the scale. It's the same with Evian. It measures positive 263 ORP on the scale. There is Evian, way out on the positive right of the scale. Fiji also measures positive 273 ORP. Fiji is also on the right of the scale, meaning high in oxidants. You need lots of strong antioxidants daily to combat these attacks of free radicals in your body. Canned water will supply your body daily with lots of these antioxidants. That's the way you slow down aging. Otherwise, you will be like this smiling man on the right. Microcluster. While tap water has 13 to 15 molecules, canned water has only 5 to 6 molecules, which means it is thinner and it gets easily absorbed in the body. This quick absorption hydrates the body easily. It also enables quick delivery of antioxidants into the bloodstream and into the cells. Other antioxidants in the form of tablets, pills, and fruit juices not only have low ORP, they also sit in the stomach and do not get absorbed easily. Meanwhile, canned water, not only does it have strong ORP, it also reaches the cell immediately. The health of the body organ is just as good as the health of its cells. If we can protect the cells from being destroyed by oxidants, we can keep the organs healthy and hence our whole body. When free radicals attack the DNA and the cells are destroyed, The destroyed cells become free radicals themselves. Consequently, they attack the healthy cells and the process continues. This is how tumors are formed. Again, if we can prevent these free radicals from spreading its destruction by strong antioxidants, we can avoid lots of cell damage and thereby maintain our health. Like I mentioned earlier, our body organs are just as healthy as the health of our cells, and our physical well-being is just as healthy as our body organs. The third characteristic of Kangen water is that it is alkaline water. Let me explain that. This acid alkaline illustration goes from 1 to 14, in which 7 is neutral. When you drop the pH tester on a liquid, for instance, the liquid will change color depending on whether the liquid is acidic or alkaline. Our blood's pH has to be neutral, which is 7.35 to be exact. When the body becomes very acidic, we develop all kinds of sickness. We need alkaline to bring back the balance of our body to neutral. This is an example of how an acidic environment is deadly to marine fish life. Marine fish aquarium needs to maintain a pH of 7.4 to 8.6 for fish to survive. Plants cannot grow in a very acidic environment. Most plants grow on between 6 to 8 pH balance, which is neutral ground for most plants. Our body is the same. The more acidic our body cell's environment is, the more we become susceptible to all kinds of health problems. When a person is brought to an emergency room, one of the first things they check is the person's pH balance, because a drop of 1 or 2 points can cause the person to go into a coma, or at 2 points below neutral, the person can possibly die. A person with cancer have very acidic body. It is clinically proven that cancer cells thrive in acidic environment, and they do not grow in an alkaline environment. That is why we need to eat a lot of alkaline food like green salads. The problem is that many of us eat too much acidic food and drink too much acidic drinks. 80% of the groceries we buy are acid-forming foods. These contribute to our body acidity, which then contribute to the development of all kinds of health problems like acid reflux, arthritis, gastritis, gout, which is caused by too much uric acid. When we eat at a restaurant, we usually have a little serving of green salad for alkaline. Then we go to the main course, which is acid galore. No wonder there is much demand for anti-acid medicines like Tums, Rolaids, Digel, Pepto-Bismol, and others, and there is great supply of them in the drugstores. People take them like candies habitually to relieve themselves of too much acid. You might want to note that anger produces acid in the body. Also, worrying produces acid in the body. The human body is more or less 75% water. If we continuously consume these acidic drinks, we are just continually subjecting our body cells to acidic environment and causing the formation of acid waste buildup inside our body. So if you are taking anti-acid, you really don't need them anymore if you have Kangen water. Also, if you keep drinking Kangen water every day, it will neutralize a lot of acidic buildup in your body. Kangen water also improves circulation and helps detoxify the body of toxins, thereby improving